Welcome back to the channel Africa's Hidden Gems. Today we're stepping into the heart of East Africa, Uganda. While most travelers know this country for safaris, gorillas, and breathtaking lakes, the real heartbeat of Uganda lies in its villages. Here, daily life is simple, raw, and often shocking to outsiders. From sunrise routines and farming to traditions and community spirit, let's uncover what makes Ugandan village life so unique. Life begins at sunrise. The village wakes up with the first light of dawn. Roosters crow, goats wander freely, and smoke rises as fires are lit for morning meals. Women set out with yellow jerry cans balanced on their heads, walking long distances to fetch water. Children sweep the compound, collect firewood, or guide cows and goats. For visitors, it's surprising how much work begins before breakfast. But for Ugandans, this rhythm is normal, teaching responsibility and resilience from childhood. Farming, the lifeline. Agriculture is the backbone of village life. Families cultivate bananas, matoke, maize, beans, cassava, and sweet potatoes. Instead of machines, they rely on hand tools, making farming hard but deeply rewarding. Livestock like goats, cows, and chickens are raised not just for food, but as symbols of wealth and pride. Farming is more than survival here. It's a culture passed down through generations. Homes and daily living villages are filled with mud huts or small brick houses. Roofs are made of thatch or corrugated iron sheets. Inside, there's minimal furniture, mats for sleeping, wooden stools, and clay pots for storage. Electricity is limited, and many homes rely on lanterns. Cooking is done outdoors on firewood stoves. Life may seem basic, but families are closely knit, spending evenings together under the stars. Food and cooking. Ugandan meals are simple but flavorful. The most famous is matoke, steamed green bananas served with groundnut sauce or beans. Posho, maize porridge, chapati, and roasted maize are also staples. Cooking is communal. Neighbors help each other, and children learn from mothers and grandmothers. The smoky taste from firewood cooking gives Ugandan food its unique charm. Community spirit. One of the most striking things about village life is community unity. Everyone helps each other, whether it's building a house, harvesting crops, or preparing for a wedding. Celebrations bring the whole community together with singing, dancing, and drumming. Children play football with handmade balls, while elders tell stories that pass down wisdom. In Ugandan villages, no one is ever truly alone. Education and schools. Education is highly valued, but not always easy. Many children walk miles, often barefoot, to reach school. Classrooms are crowded, and resources are limited. Sometimes one textbook is shared by several students. Still, the determination to learn is strong. Families sacrifice greatly for school fees, and children dream of becoming doctors, teachers, and leaders. It's inspiring to see such hunger for knowledge despite the challenges. Faith and traditions, religion is central to village life. Churches and mosques fill with worshipers every week, with joyful singing and prayer echoing across the fields. At the same time, traditional practices continue. Herbal medicine, cultural dances, and storytelling remain important. These traditions preserve identity and bring a sense of belonging to the community. Struggles and hardships. Of course, life isn't without challenges. Many villages lack proper health care, clean water, and stable income. Poverty is common, and families often face difficulties paying for education or medical care. For outsiders, it's shocking to see how much people endure. Yet, What stands out most is the strength and optimism with which Ugandans face hardship. Smiles, laughter, and generosity never fade. The beauty of simplicity. Despite the struggles, Ugandan village life offers something rare in today's fast-paced world: simplicity. People live close to nature, eat organic food, and build strong bonds with their neighbors. Life moves slower, but feels more meaningful. The shock for many visitors isn't about poverty. It's about realizing how little we actually need to live a full, happy life. Ugandan village life may seem shocking at first, but it is also rich with culture, unity, and wisdom. It reminds us that happiness isn't found in material things, but in community, resilience, and gratitude. Would you spend a week in a Ugandan village? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening journeys across Africa's hidden gems.